Imagine walking outside one night and looking up, and the moon is gone. No glow, no crescent. Just an empty, dark sky. At first, you might think it's clouds, or maybe aliens pulled a prank. But nope, the moon has truly vanished. So, what happens next? Spoiler, things on Earth would get weird really fast. Let's start with what the moon actually does for us, besides looking pretty in selfies. It's not just decoration. The moon controls the tides, helps stabilize Earth's spin, and even affects the length of our days. Without it, Earth wouldn't be the calm, cozy planet we know. So if it suddenly disappeared, poof, the effects would be instant, dramatic, and kind of terrifying. Within hours, the first big change hits. Literally, the tides. Right now, the moon's gravity pulls on Earth's oceans, creating those gentle high and low tides we see every day. Without that lunar pull, ocean levels would flatten out. No more romantic beach waves. But don't celebrate yet. This isn't good news. The sun still pulls a little on the oceans, but it's only about half as strong as the moon's pull. Tides would shrink dramatically, smaller, weaker, and unpredictable. Coastal ecosystems, which rely on tides to bring in nutrients, would collapse. Many sea creatures from crabs to oysters would lose their rhythm. Fisheries, gone. Beaches, a mess. Next, let's talk about light or the lack of it. The full moon is bright enough to cast shadows and guide animals at night. Without it, nights become pitch. No more moonlit hikes. No more werewolves howling dramatically. Nocturnal animals would panic. Many species like sea turtles, moths, and birds use moonlight for navigation. They'd lose their way, crash into buildings, or wander aimlessly. Even humans would feel it. Ancient cultures used the moon to mark time, months, harvests, rituals. Suddenly, our month would lose its meaning. Goodbye, lunar calendar. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. The moon doesn't just sit there, it acts like a stabilizer for Earth's spin. Without it, Earth would start to wobble like a spinning top that's slowing down. Over thousands of years, this wobble would change how much sunlight different parts of the planet get. That means wild climate shifts, scorching summers, brutal winters, maybe even ice ages in tropical areas. If you thought climate change is bad now, imagine it on random shuffle. The moon also acts as a brake on Earth's rotation. Its gravity tugs on us, slowing our spin ever so slightly. That's why days have gotten longer over billions of years, from 6 hours to 24. If the moon vanished, that braking effect disappears. Earth might start spinning a little faster. Our days could shorten, maybe by a few minutes or hours over millions of years. Faster spin equals stronger winds, bigger storms, and a planet that feels more chaotic overall. And then there's the psychological hit. For thousands of years, the moon has been our cosmic companion, inspiring art, poetry, music, and love stories. Without it, our night sky would look incomplete. No more crescent above the city, no more lunar eclipses, no more tides reflecting silver light. Just the stars, lonely and quiet. Humans might even feel a strange kind of emptiness. After all, we evolved with that glowing rock watching over us. But here's the twist. If the moon vanished suddenly, not only would life on Earth go into chaos, but debris from its disappearance could cause even more destruction. Depending on how it vanished, say it exploded or got sucked into a black hole, the shockwaves. Dust and fragments could rain down on Earth. The night sky could glow red for months. It'd be beautiful and terrifying.